Hey, what's up everybody? It's Cameron here with themoneyventure.com. Today we're going to show you 5 investment accounts that come with their own debit card. Give you a quick overview. We've got M1 Finance. We've got Acorns. We've got Stash. And we've got Cash App by Square. And lastly, but not least, Robinhood. We're going to go over each of these cards, tell you the differences between them all, the benefits, the features, so that you can make an informed decision if any of them are good options for you and your investment needs. So here are the 5 debit cards that we've got here. I'll just give you a quick overview of kind of how they feel and the texture and everything of them. So the first one is the Acorns debit card. This one is, I believe it's tungsten. It's pretty hefty. It's metal. It's bright color. I personally like the bright color, but that's just my preference. So this is Acorns Found Money. When you log into the app, you can see the different partners that they have. As you scroll down here, you can see the different options of companies they partner with and the amount of money that they'll invest into your Acorns investment account if you shop with these partner companies, either online, when you click on Acorns affiliate link that takes you to the company's website, or via your Acorns debit card, which is what we're going over today. So pretty cool. They got a bunch of different options. As you can see at the bottom there, I've done about $40 in Found Money. So I've shopped at a few places and gotten that $40 invested back into my Acorns account. Stash, if you're familiar with the Stash Invest app, they also have a checking account that has some cool benefits with it. This one's just basically a regular debit card, not any different. It just has the Stash logo. So Stash has a similar program to Acorns. Rather than calling it Found Money, they call it Stock Back. Basically, if you shop or if you use the debit card, Stash's debit card, at any of their partner companies, then they will give you stock back in that company's stock. So it's slightly different than Acorns. Acorns just deposits the money straight into your investment account, and then it's spread across, whatever your portfolio allocation is. But Stash, on the other hand, for example, if you had like your Disney Plus subscription paid through your Stash debit card, then they would give you 2% of your purchase in stock back in Disney stock, which is kind of cool. For the companies that aren't publicly traded, like Hulu, for example, they give you stock back in one of their generic portfolios. I think it's just like an exchange traded fund that covers the entire stock market. I can't remember, to be honest, but it's they'll still give you stock back, but it's just in a generic ETF or a diversified portfolio. So they got a lot of other partners here. So every time you use your Stash debit card to make purchases at any of these partners, you get stock back in that particular company into your Stash account. So it's pretty cool. This one is Cash App. Again, it's just a regular debit card. It's plastic, doesn't weigh anything. It's not anything out of the ordinary. So Cash App is pretty similar to the other two that we've talked about. When you log into your Cash App account, it'll have an option at the bottom of the page to show you, here I'll show you real quick. At the bottom there, you can see, you just click on the debit card icon, and then it will bring you to this page, shows you your debit card. And what they call their program is you're able to select a boost for your debit card. So you can change it whenever you want, but say for example, I'm going to go shopping at Walgreens. At this time, they have a deal with Walgreens where you will get 10% off one of your purchases. So I click on that, and it will show you the details of that particular offer, and you can click activate to activate that boost. The offers that they have are always changing, so there's only a few at a time usually. A pretty generic one here is just the grocery store. Minimum purchase of $1.50, maximum discount of $7.50. they'll give you a 10% off any purchase at any grocery store. So I'll click activate that boost since it's pretty generic, and it shows it expires in about 6 days. It can be a good or a bad thing, having to go in and change your boost every time, but also it's kind of exciting to go and see the different deals that might be going on right now. If it's the weekend, for example, maybe you want to go to Domino's Pizza, which I actually just did, and I did not know that they had an offer through the Cash app, or I would have done it, so that's my bad. But anyways, you can see it's kind of a cool program, a little bit different, but those are the benefits of the Cash app debit card. Then there is M1 Finance. This one is identical to the Acorns one. It's tungsten, it's heavy metal, it's really nice, heavy feeling. A lot of people like that for some reason. I mean, it doesn't really increase the value of what you can buy or not buy, but still it's pretty cool. The M1 Spend card is a little bit different. It's pretty basic to a generic bank cashback card. So you actually have to pay for the M1 Plus membership, which has an annual fee of $125, but they give you a 1% interest on all of your cash that is held in the checking account. They also give you 1% cash back on all of the qualifying purchases, which I think there's only a few places that don't qualify for 1% cash back. But theirs is pretty basic. It's just an interest rate on the money you have in there and then 1% cash back on all of your purchases. And then lastly is Robinhood. This one's pretty cool looking. Again, it's just another plastic one. Nothing super different about this one. But, they're the only ones that actually use MasterCard rather than Visa. The other four are Visa. So the Robinhood debit card is probably one of the most basic of all these options. It's got nothing super special or specific about it. It just gives you a 0.3% interest rate on all of the cash that is not invested in your account. And they call this a cash management account with a debit card, and any cash in there gets 0.3% cash back. There's no fees, no minimums. But again, Robinhood does have a pretty unique offer that they'll give you a free share of stock when signing up through an affiliate like myself, which I'll include a link below. But nothing super exciting about the debit card, but that is Robinhood's debit card there for you. So that wraps it up for the 5 investment apps that have the option to get a debit card with it. A quick overview, we talked about Acorns, we talked about Stash, Cash App, which is by Square, M1 Finance, and Robinhood. One thing I want to note is the fees. So Acorns, if you want to get the debit card, they have 3 options. You can pay $1 a month, $2 a month, or $3 a month. And the only option to get a debit card is if you pay $3 a month. And the way it works is the $1 a month account gives you a basic Acorns investment account. The $2 a month option gives you a basic investment account with a retirement account. And then the $3 a month gives you the investment account, the retirement account, and the Acorns Spend debit card. So if you want the debit card, you have to pay $3 a month. Although you could make that back pretty easy from their found money options. Stash, they have a few options as well. You can purchase a beginner package, which is $1, a growth package, which is $3, and a Stash Plus package, which is $9 a month. So anywhere from $1 to $9 per month. They have an option for the debit card on any one of those accounts, but if you want a metal debit card, which I did not show in this video, I showed the plastic one. But the $9 per month, the Stash Plus, you get access to a metal debit card with 2 times the amount of stock back. Cash App has 0 fees. M1 Finance, if you want, the cash back option, it's $125 per year. And finally, Robinhood is $0, 0 costs anywhere. I'll put my ratings at the bottom, the ones that I think are the best value for your money. Acorns is my first pick, my top pick, my favorite one. The second one would be Cash App. Third place, Stash. And fourth place, M1 Finance. And finally, fifth place, Robinhood. I think they're all great options. Those are just the ways that I would rate them personally if you were to ask me which one is the best. But I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up located just below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below to be the first ones notified about our latest content.